China Harbour Engineering Company CHEC, which has been contracted to carry out numerous road improvement projects, including those in the corporate area, has sought to defend itself against allegations that it caused damage to NWC pipelines. And CHEC and NWC has started the process of compensation to get over $200 million. We have more in this report.
In the Gleaner yesterday, CHEC said it was yet to receive a claim and had not been made aware that compensation would be sought by the NWC. The company said it is merely a contractor and all land acquisition and utility relocation works are within the responsibility of the government through its agencies in accordance with the contract. In addition, CHEC said it, being the contractor, after obtaining instruction from the government, is responsible for the construction and implementation of all road works and auxiliary work, including the new pipelines. CHEC said the government did not provide any original pipeline layout drawings to the company, which would show the exact location of existing pipelines. It said where these pipelines are discovered during construction, the company has since used concrete as a protective measure to cover them. CHEC added that it has observed what it describes as the plague of numerous broken pipelines on roads where there are no construction activities being undertaken and where repairs have recently been done. It said the problem can be attributed to most of those pipes outdating their useful lifespan. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.